hope you enjoyed that beautiful time lapse of Los Angeles. This is our hotel room. We have this crazy cool view from West Hollywood, staying at this fancy hotel, Lincoln.
We got pizza for breakfast.
Pizza for breakfast, true story. Well, I had a salad. If you haven't seen our Game 4 video from Houston, Texas with the Houston Astros, that video will link up here. But today...
Right here, it's gonna be right. I ate it, it's gone now.
Today is a big day. It is Game 6. Houston is up 3-2. We're gonna go to the game today. If Houston wins, the World Series is over. But the first thing that we're gonna do is go get a personal private tour of everything under the Dodger Stadium, similar to what we did in Houston. This is all because YouTube TV is the main sponsor of World Series, and so they wanted to send us kind of as correspondents. We committed that we're gonna show you guys every bit of it that we can. So, you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready.
We got our friends Brody and Kelsey back with us.
Game 6!
This is gonna be great. Check this out. This whole bag is full of Frisbees.
And a sleeping pillow. This is not mine, guys. I do not believe in these things, but this is Kelsey's.
Frisbee trick shot.
I'm worried.
I'm gonna bounce it off this wall to you. Okay? Ready?
Oh, look at that. One take.
Wonder!
Yes. It's official. He's got the hat. He's the Dodgers. Let's go Dodgers. Isn't that like in the 7th inning stretch song anyway? Like root, root, root for the home team?
Root for the home team.
That's it. Coming out. Whoa, we are in the stadium. We're coming up into the stadium. That's cool. We are on the field right now. Check it out. You can see the dirt, you can see the grass. They're doing BP right behind us right now. We just walked through a crazy cool hallway by the clubhouse that has all the trophies, all the golden gloves. We're gonna go through there and get a closer look in a minute, but first, we're on the field. Oh, that's gone. Touch the grass. I touched it. I touched it. I touched it.
I did too.
Yeah, there we go. There were articles written about this sign because all the kids that were watching the World Series, they saw that YouTube logo and it was right in the middle of the screen and they thought that they could like push the TV. It was really cool, really smart marketing. I think it was kind of unintentional of MLB and YouTube. When you're watching the game, look for that sign, and this is where Lincoln's chilling right now. Keep the tradition alive. Lincoln is going for the dugout shot. Bats, helmet, locker room, dugout. We're in the dugout. Let's see it, buddy. Get your trumpet drink. Keep the tradition going. Oh, it's beautiful orange. Let's try it. Take a drink. There you go. We got it. We got the dugout shot. Lincoln got a drink. It was Gatorade. It was orange. Taste.
Again, I'm not telling.
You're not telling it, keep it a secret? Here's where we've got the jerseys of retired players. This is like a legacy hall right here, like Hall of Fame. Pretty cool. Silver Slugger Awards. I would love to cut open one of those Silver Slugger bats. MVP, MVP, MVP. All these are the MVPs. What do we got here, bud? 1981 trophy right there. All right, so right now we are in this hallway that has all the Golden Gloves, all the MVP awards, and the actual World Series trophies. Stadium seats.
This is Those
are the original seats that used to be in the stadium. Who's Frank Sinatra? I don't know, ask him in the comments. If there was one word to describe the difference between the Astros experience and the Dodgers experience, I would say it's history. Like, this place is full of history. You can feel it. You feel it when you're walking down the halls. Like, you feel like Sandy Koufax is gonna come walking past you. You have all these old memorabilia everywhere from the old days. I mean, look at this right here. This is like an old ticker tape or something. A lot of people may not have known, but the Dodgers used to be in Brooklyn, New York. But check it out. Dodgers. These plate bases right here are from the last game that was played in Brooklyn. Oral Hershiser and Tommy Lasorda are on the field. They're throwing the ceremonial first pitch. If that's not a good omen, I don't know what is. After seeing that, for sure, Dodgers win this. It's happening, baby. Game 6. We are coming back for Game 7 tomorrow. I'm calling it now, and the game hasn't even started. Dude, that was coming. Brody, were you protecting her?
I am one of these.
Good, that's good. That's the right move. All right, you saw our video in Houston. We had to find the best ice cream in the stadium. Lincoln just sent me on the hunt. My job right now is to find the best ice cream in Dodger Stadium. This is the best I could do. This is the best the Dodgers could do. Soft serve ice cream in a cup. The cup is cool, but soft serve, come on. It's still ice cream, Lincoln's gonna love it. But if I have to pick a winner with the ice cream battle, Houston, you win 1000%. If something happens where the Astros win, we want to be on the field when that happens. One more out and we are going to Game 7.
one.